Ownership matters. It gives people a say in the things they care about. Being business owner gives people motivation and a stake in its success. In the last 20 years, the number of people that have control over the business that shape our lives have become smaller, not larger. It is no surprise when you ask them, people will say they have no control over the business, over the workplace, and over the economy as a whole. However, Cooperative have a solution. On the outside, they may look like any other business, but the inside, they are very different. They are owned and controlled together by the people closest to the business, not distant shareholders. They have an equal say on how the business is run and even decide what to do with the profits. Cooperative work in gender equality too. There are more than 10,000 women cooperative in Indonesia. They can be found in every sector, from high street retailers to credit unions. Cooperative contribute $50 billion each year to Indonesian economy, which are great for 22 million members who together own Indonesian co-ops. Cooperative give people more control over the things that matters. And we in KODI empower cooperative with technology. We support women community to create business together, enable loan and savings within the community, allowing their members to prosper. So take it from us, take ownership, join a cooperative, or together create a new one.